Welcome everybody. Today I want to talk about a little bit callback function. I have seen this article and I thought it's a good idea to make a video because it is a little bit confusing part for junior developers, especially for beginners. So what is the topic? Topic is actually, as you can see, the title explains that what is the difference between onClick remove item ID or onClick remove item directly? As you can see, the first one has callback function and the second one there is no callback function. For example, I prepared some example code here. The thing is, when I write here onClick and what I am gonna write here, let's run the app first. npm run that because it is white project. As you can see, this is only click me and count, and it starts with 0, and also there is a count handler and it increased the count by 2. So let's talk about the topic, the count handler. Do you think should I write here callback count handler or without callback count handler? Let's first start with the callback function. As you can see here, and I don't need to open it at first. As you can see, still the number 0, and if I click it, it is increasing by 2, and as explained here, because what I am doing here, I am incrementing the count by 2 because I am getting first previous value. That means whatever previous value is, it is gonna be added by 2, as you can see here. So normally what is you have to do, but what about if I delete this one and immediately run this count handler? Let's see what is going to happen and see. Let's talk about the, as you can see, too many errors, too many, because it is going to be increment set count immediately the component is rendered. When you open the code, the component will be rendered and it is coming from here, and you see there is a count handler, and then when it comes down, and as you can see, we are running the function immediately, and it will increment the value, and this incrementation will trigger the component, and it is gonna be rendered again and again and that's why it is too many render. That's why most of junior developer will get error here, because that means run this function immediately, because we don't need any trigger. So previously that's the trigger. What it means, when you click this one, run this handler. But if you delete this one, that means I don't need any trigger at first, only once, because later we will need it. Before in order to demonstrate better, let's run here. Let's write here console. Let's talk about here. Okay, and as you can see, whenever I refresh the page, there is a console value here. As you can see, that means this component will be triggered immediately. As you can see here, there is 0. If I add callback here one more time, And let's see if we see the zero value here. See, there is no zero value here, and if I click, I am triggering the values. As you can see, that's the difference. If we have callback function here, that means we need a trigger. That trigger is, in this case, a button. Whenever you click the button, the count handler will be triggered. But if you remove this one, as you can see, at first there is no need for a trigger, as you can see here. But of course, when I click this one, it is not gonna be work anymore, because we are not saying that whenever you click this one, write 0 here. As you can see, it is gonna be work like that. And I hope it makes the topic clear and it is less confusing now. I did my best, and I hope you enjoy it and you like it. And thanks for watching it, and see you next time.